Welcome to the PoE Plus Amplifier 3-minute product briefing, introducing the AV8-2 and the CVA16-1 PoE Plus Dante power amplifiers. The CVA16-1 is a constant voltage amplifier rated at one channel at 16 watts, 70 or 100 volts, and the AV8-2 is a low impedance amplifier rated at two channels at 8 watts. 4 or 8 ohms. The features and benefits of the PoE Plus amplifiers are: they utilize the higher power PoE Plus 802.3 AT standard. They are a single cable solution for power and Dante over category cable, plenum rated, compact, flange package, labor-saving Dante zone solution. Use cases for the PoE Plus amplifiers include small zones, remote zones, cost-saving applications, installations with limited infrastructure. Others include digital signage, hospitality, and many more. Small zone applications include but are not limited to huddle rooms, lobbies, green rooms, small zones in conjunction with DSP, classrooms, and many others. Remote zones. These are zones where it's more cost-effective to utilize existing network infrastructure or pull category cable rather than run speaker cables long distances. Cost savings. Remove labor-intensive activities from installations by leveraging existing network infrastructure. Save labor with compact, easy-to-hide enclosures. Electrical wiring isn't an issue with PoE Plus amplifiers. Scaled and priced for small zones, fast and easy installation. Limited infrastructure. Whether it's a historic building or new construction, costly problems like lack of plenum space, availability of power outlets, or structural impediments abound. Reduce costs by utilizing the existing network infrastructure. No power outlet needed, power and Dante over category cable, and a small form factor that's easy to hide. For more information, contact your local sales representative or go to stewardaudio.com.